Whether you're changing transmissions or just completely restoring your console dial assembly, we've got an identical reproduction that you'll love. Hey Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 through 72 Chevelle and El Camino and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo center console dial assembly. The dial assembly goes under the horseshoe shifter where you can see what gear you're in. Depending on your automatic transmission, you can purchase the appropriate indicator lens to put in place separately. Each assembly comes completely assembled for your convenience. Simply take it out of the box and mount it into the console. Dial assemblies feature an aluminum body frame with a machine brush top finish, beautiful chrome trim, and a satin black finish on the mounting plates, all which is identical to the factory originals for authenticity. The Monte Carlo dial assemblies also include the original style wood grain vinyl insert. The vinyl inserts are manufactured by 3M to ensure the highest quality standards and finish. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.